Welcome to our video on how to create bibliographies and works cited pages, featuring best practices for success. First, it's important to understand the difference between a bibliography and a works cited page. A bibliography includes all sources consulted during research, while a works cited page only lists the sources directly referenced in the work. When creating your bibliography or works cited page, be sure to follow the formatting guidelines specified by your instructor or publication. This typically includes using a specific citation style such as MLA, APA, or Chicago. Each entry should include all necessary information to identify the source, such as the author's name, title of the work, publication date, and page numbers. Double-check your entries for accuracy and completeness. Organize your sources alphabetically by the author's last name or by the title if no author is provided. Be consistent in your formatting throughout the entire bibliography or works cited page. In conclusion, creating a bibliography or works cited page doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these easy steps and best practices, you can ensure that your sources are properly credited and your work is well supported. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.